Digistore24 Review 2021. Alright, what is Digistore? Digistore is an online marketplace like ClickBank, JVZoo, Monchai, or any one of those marketplaces where you can go online and sell product. So this is basically the place where you come to make money online. As you can see, this is their main page. They're basically showing you more sale, less work. So that basically means you get more sale for less work. So this is a offer that you want to join. Yeah. And as you can see here, they have a whopping 5.5 star. So that is big credit. Big credit. A lot of company now have so much stars. 5.5 star. Wow. All right. And if you go down here, they will show you a lot of different things that they do and promote on their platform, and where you can also sign up, right? All right, so here it's showing you where they sell products. So for instance, you have product where you want promote yourself. Here they're showing you clearly you have something to sell, we have the platform. So yes, say you are producer of products and you don't have the platform to get it out there. You can link with Digistore24. You can provide them with your products and they will provide the customer, and then you go about and setting how you want to set the money business. Alright. If you go down here, so them will show you say they have over 25,000 affiliates. All right. And they're showing you in 2020 the amount of people where they get a loan of 4.8 million. And as you can see here, this company is global. So anyway, you're there over the world, you can use Digistore24 to make money. So as far as I can see, we are going at the yeah, the review and it's so nice so far, right? Alright, as you can see here, they're a German-based company. They do speak English as well, so you don't have no problem about that. Alright, you go on affiliates. And as you can see here, advertise once, cash in autopilot. So when you go and you advertise the things them on Digistore24, you can be selling over and over without being advertising you think them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. If you go about doing the advertisement good, it's a good deal for you because they give you pictures and blogs and everything where you can place on the advertisement to make your thing blow. Alright, so here it's showing you choose from the best selling products and receive your commission on time, every time. So that is something where Digistore they not play around with neither. Them pay on time all the time. Me sign up for them, really me not start make no money yet, but all the reviews and everyone I know that do affiliates for them always get their money on time. Alright, here it's showing you what can happen in the future. So this is just things where you can personally go and check out by yourself. Alright, so they show you like checkout forms and all kind of stuff, man. As you can see here, they're showing you the main thing, how they do payouts, and that's supposed to be the most important to everyone. They do payouts by debit card, advance payment, credit card, PayPal, which enough people don't love that. Me not compare, but ClickBank don't play payout with PayPal. So yes, that's something very good. And if we should go here, marketplace. You're seeing where they have a lot of different products, a lot of different products. They do sell physical and online products, and if you can see here, this is the product method, and you can choose from a lot of different niches. They got a lot of different niches which you can choose from, and you can choose whatever you want to sell. All right, all right. If you should go here, knowledge base, you will see where they're showing you a lot of things which will be um right for you to check out if you want to join with the company. Best thing you have to do when you go forward in anything, not only with online businesses but with anything in life, you should always try to find out the background behind it. So this is where you come to find out all those things. All right, so basically if you want to sign up, you go here, register, and all over the page it's showing you where you can register. So register for Digistore24, and I can guarantee you more and less that you will be proud that you did, and it's something you can make a lot of money from. As you're seeing here, this product, they give you 85% commission. Yeah, man, 85% commission. And how you go about selling the products, you would click here and promote, and you will get a link. After you get a link, you would go and you will now put that link in your Instagram bio and your Facebook page or something where you can get the traffic from. Or you can watch different videos on YouTube and they will show you how you can generate traffic. This video is to specifically explain and review Digistore24, and that's what I'm doing. As they're showing you here, the market for online courses will grow sixfold by 2022. So this is the right time to choose your niche, because look around this, the market go blow up. And if you should click at any of these things, they will show you where you can read more and also get more information about Digistore24. Digistore24, as I said, is an affiliate online store where you can make money online, where they're showing you here up to 70% commission. 70%. They got a lot of money to give, and that's the reason a lot of people are get rich out of Digistore24. And also they're showing you here where they got over 8,000 products in their marketplace. They got over 44 different niches that you can choose from. So a whole heap of different things that we choose from with whatsoever you want to sell. Whole heap. Yeah, man, a lot. So yes, this is something that I think is gonna be one of the most biggest thing for the next 2-3 years. And take the advantage while you got it right now. I'm gonna leave the link in my description, how you can find the store also. And while I was doing the video, I stumbled on a product which this would be very good for you if you're starting a platform and you want to know how to do online marketing. So I'm gonna leave the link in my description how you can do that, and please remember, like, share, comment and subscribe. And remember, Digistore is the future, so don't let it leave you behind. Thank you for watching.